Hello, class. I got a couple emails from some people saying there was some confusion on the population pyramid activity from the other day. And so I thought I'd make a quick video. I'm assuming that the problem was with the filling out the table and calculating PGR and doubling time and what you do with the shapes of the pyramids and all this stuff in the table. The other ones you just need to, answer the questions basically. Okay, so to fill out this table, you need to go to the Census Bureau link at the very beginning of this worksheet. So I go there, and the very first one it wants information on is Canada. So I go over here to the countries, I look up Canada, I want demographic overview, I hit submit, and it gives me all the statistics on their population. Okay, so it wanted population, so this is in thousands, so their population is 29 million. Okay. It wants crude birth rates, so their crude birth rates is 10. It wants crude death rates. Their crude death rates is 8. Okay. So that fills out the first 3 columns. All right. Now to figure PGR, you take crude birth rate minus crude death rate. So you take 10 minus 8, and you get a population growth rate of 2. Okay, so if you're having 10 born for every 8 that are dying out of every 1,000, you're getting a growth rate of 2. Okay, so now to figure out your doubling time, you take 70 divided by PGR. So if I take 70 divided by 2, I get 35. Okay, so with a growth rate of 2%, it will take 35 years for them to double their population. Okay, now the shape of population pyramid. Okay, this is where we're looking at the age structure graphs and looking at what stage in the demographic transition each of these countries is in. So when we can look at Canada again. And for this, the Census Bureau has a population pyramid, or you can go here to another, right here, populationpyramid.net also has that. We'll just use a Census Bureau one. Hit the back button. And instead of demographic overview, I want population pyramid. On the drop down, go to Canada, submit. Okay, so this is what Canada looks like in 2020. Okay, so now I will draw that into that table. Okay, then I need to determine what stage they are in the demographic transition. I put a couple different links down here. First off, we'll look at this one. This is what's happening during the demographic transition. Okay, when countries are pre-industrialized, okay, they're going to have high birth rates and high death rates. Okay, and their population is going to stay relatively low. As they start to go through this transitional phase, okay, they start to get better health care. So death rates go down. However, birth rates still stay relatively high, okay, which makes their population increase because birth rates are higher than death rates. Eventually, when societies get industrialized, now they're, planning, thinking about, well, I want to have 2 kids and, they have better access to birth control and things like that. Birth rates start to decrease and death rates stay steady as well. So overall, the population will start to tail out. And then actually in post-industrialized, their population will go down because they're just not having enough kids to basically replace themselves. Okay, so if we looked at this here, it shows you the 4 stages, and you can look at it and you'd probably say Canada looks like it's in stage 3. They're an industrialized society. They're in stage 3. They're not quite post-industrialized like this. Um, you know, so that is what you're doing on that assignment. I hope that is